Okay, so today we have the two predecessors to what is now iCloud. So let's take a look at .Mac first. And we have this very cool pamphlet right here. Really makes you want to jump in to see what's inside. Really, the main page is we want to look at is the services that it had. Basically, very similar services to iCloud. We got your .Mac mail, your iDisk, which of course, you can use to store files. You can make your own website. You have the iPhoto. You can publish albums to have people, be able to see what's there on those albums. So kind of like, the iCloud photo sharing. And then we have a group website, iCards, calendar, and stuff like that. And then of course it syncs, your Safari bookmarks, iCal calendars. It was called iCal back then, by the way. It syncs throughout all your different accounts and such. And then you also have backup. And I'm like, well, why didn't they, that's Time Machine, isn't it? But of course this came before Time Machine existed. So so there's kind of just gets into detail about all the different services and how to use them in the .Mac. And then, of course, Mobile Me was the other one. So I think Steve Jobs might have even went on stage and called it not their best moment, but it's kind of similar to .Mac and a little similar to iCloud, just not as good execution there. So if we take a look, I blurred out the letters there, but this one's just a pamphlet to show you there. And so we got, this looks like an iPhone 3GS maybe, or maybe it's the original iPhone with an iPod Touch there, telling you how to set it up, and then setting it up on your Mac, your PC, and you can also just go on the website there. But the back, shows all the services you have. So once again, you got email, and then you got your bookmarks, and then you got contacts. And I'm not sure if that's map your contacts, if that's like Find My Friends or not. I think it might be. Birthdays, if you weren't using Facebook for that. And then calendars again, and then here's the gallery again with the photo sharing, and then your iPhone, your photos again, and then files and all different stuff there. So yeah, those are the two different services that were available before iCloud.